Hi, second grade readers. This week we have been talking about readers grow like beanstalks. They get bigger and better. And then we've talked about two different ways that you can become a better reader. And one of them was to decide how to read. So when you look at the text, you're thinking, should I read this text in a sad way? Is it a sad story? Should I read this text in a happy way because it's a super happy story? Should I read a text, how? What did the author want me to do to read this story? How is it written? The other thing we talked about is that you can get an idea what a book is about by getting a little sneak peek of the book. And we practiced doing that yesterday. Today, we are going to talk about becoming even stronger. And the way that we become bigger and better readers, I'm going to add this one today, is that we read, I'm going to say, put it right down here. We read more and more. We read more and more and more. The only way to become a better reader is to read. It's to read a lot. And so what we want to talk about now is something called stamina. Stamina. Will you say that word with me? Stamina. And what stamina means is, can you read for longer and longer and longer periods of time? Much like that beanstalk grows and grows and grows and grows, you're going to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow as a reader. And the way that you do that is by reading more and more for longer and longer and longer periods of time. So we're going to talk today about how to improve your stamina. Now, what I'm going to have you do, and this is attached to your lesson plans as well, a reading log. Okay, and the reading log looks like this, and it's attached to the plans. And we are going to start filling out a reading, or you're going to start filling out a reading log for books that you're reading at home. Okay, now I'm going to bring it a little closer so you can see it better. Good. And then you can see that there's a place for the date, and then the title of your book, the author, how many minutes did you read at that one sitting, and then your parent's signature, and then we're asking you, did you like the book? Did you think, meh, or did you not like it at all? So you can just color in the little happy or sad faces. Now, what I want you to notice, though, is the minutes. So what we're wanting you to do is set a goal, okay? And the way you do it is this. You might say, on day one, today, you sit down and you read for 10 minutes without getting up. Now, guys, here's what it looks like. You're sitting with your book. The book is open. You're actually reading the words in the book, right? And for 10 full minutes. That would be great. All right? Now, it does not look like this. Looking at the pictures is not reading the book, okay? So I want you to sit and try to read for 10 minutes today, okay? At a sitting. So you're going to sit and read. You're going to stay in the same place, okay? You're going to read the book the whole entire 10 minutes, all right? I'm going to have a challenge for you. Have mom or dad set a timer and see if you can do it for that 10-minute chunk of time, okay? Then set yourself a goal. If you were able to do 10 minutes, then why don't you try for 15 tomorrow, okay? Maybe that 10 minutes was a little hard for you and you only made it to 8 minutes, okay? So maybe tomorrow your goal is 10 minutes, all right? So I want you to try to read for 10 minutes tomorrow, and then I want you to increase it. And I want you to see if you can, on your reading log that you're going to have, if you can just keep increasing. It might just be an increase of 1 or 2 minutes. That's okay. What we're trying to do is to become better readers, and the only way to become a better reader is by reading. So we're wanting to encourage you to read and set goals for yourself. I know you can do this, second graders. So what I'm going to have you do is there's a a copy of this on the lesson plans, and you can print it off and then start filling out that reading log, setting goals for yourself to become readers that grow like beanstalks. So this is our third suggestion for this week. All right? Have a great afternoon. We'll see you later.